Okay, today I'm going to be installing my new Novolink LED solar security motion light. This is a pretty easy installation. Here's the solar panel. Now keep in mind when you're mounting the light, this is a 15-foot cord. Now of course you want to have a little bit of play in the cord. You know, you don't want to take it all the way out to 15 feet because you're going to have to mount this, secure the cord somehow. I'm not going to put it that far away. I'm only going to have it a couple feet from the light. Here's the light. Now the instructions say to charge it for 3 days before you install it to make sure that the batteries have a solid charge. This unit only has one manual control. As you'll see later in the video, your phone app that you're going to download is going to provide you all the controls you need through Bluetooth. It connects to the light, so you don't have to climb back up on a ladder and adjust the settings as far as sensitivity, brightness, and such. You can do all of that from the phone app that you can download for free to control this. So you can just sit underneath the light. As long as you're within 20-25 feet, you'll have Bluetooth control of the unit. I've got all the tools it says to have. I've got a level. Here's the mounting bracket for the actual light. It just slides in like this. After you've got it mounted to the wall, it just slides in like this from the bottom, so the light is not going to fall. You need about a 1/4 inch of clearance on the wall. Make sure you've got room. Don't just mount this up anywhere, because if you're using it on stucco, it might be a little bit of a rough wall. Here's also the mounting bracket for the solar panel. It just slides in like this. Once you have it mounted on your surface, it slides right in. And it's on a ball joint, so you've got room to adjust it. Solar panel, we want to make sure it's at a good angle, so let's angle it like this, southward, and it's in. Click. Done. Let's just play it out and we can adjust it how we want. Okay, now we've got our light all installed, and here's the app. This app's really easy to download. You just go to the Novolink website. You can download it from the Apple Store, the Google Playstore. I have an Android phone. This is a Verizon phone, so on my Android phone I'm using the Google Playstore version. This app's pretty easy to use. Once you open the app, you got your motion activated light. You install the light. It detects it. I have it set up here. Novolink, there's the icon. Hit it. That's the light I want to use. It's connecting to the light through the Bluetooth app, and it's on right now. Now I can turn it off and turn on the motion detector. You'll know the motion detector is picking up motion because there's a little green bulb in the middle of the unit will blink on and off whenever it detects motion. Now we go to auto. Now the motion detector is on. Here's the settings. We've got a brightness setting. We've got a sensitivity setting. For fun, let's just set the setting to high. So when we move down here, it'll turn on. The lux controls what time of day the light will come on. You want the lux set low if you want this to be like an evening security light, because the darker it is, so we'll set it to 3, hit OK, then that means it's going to come on brightly. The sensitivity for the motion detector is high. The lux means it'll come on later in the evening rather than have it at 9 and have it coming on during the day. And we'll have a 30-second time delay. So the light will come on for 30 seconds and then shut back off and be ready to turn back on to detect more motion. So let's go back. It's on auto right now. I move and the light comes on. The app's really easy to navigate. Now there's an eco setting, and you can go in, and that's more of a power conservation setting. But on auto, it's just fine for us. I had it charging outside for a couple days, and then we installed it. But let's see, the green light is out. It's not detecting any motion, but all I have to do is take one step, and it'll pick me up. See? Motion detector works quite well.